Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Dipped in Fairy Dust to create a really fun Pac-Man gaming mani. So we're going to be using some of the dip powders that were newly released from Dipped in Fairy Dust. If you missed on Friday, I did post a video of all the colors that are in the Pac-Man inspired collection, and this collection is still available. And then we're going to be adding a little bit of extra gaming to this mani with that really fun decal sheet. We're going to use one of those little Game Boys to place on the nail as an accent nail. So we're going to dive right into this beautiful yellow, and this by far is a really pretty yellow, and it's going to complement a lot of different skin tones, and it has the most subtle shimmer to it. And this is by far a very creamy and buttery textured feeling dip powder, and I'm totally living for it. And it's super pretty, and I just love this color because you're going to be able to use this for summer, and then this is also like a really good yellow for like any decals or nail art. It's just like that perfect like medium yellow, and I'm totally living for it. And speaking of yellow, Pac-Man is also yellow, so it does match Pac-Man perfectly. So we're going to kind of be a little bit all over the place with this mani today. We're going to be using dip liquids. We're also going to be using gel at the end, and then I'm going to use a transfer foil glue to help with that decal, and then we're going to hand place some Pac-Man pieces on this mani as well. So we're going to be using several different colors from this collection to create this overall Pac-Man gaming inspired mani, and I'm totally in love with how it turned out. So enough chit chat, let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
so I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Alright, so we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun, and there's just something about these Pac-Man pieces with the little bow and the high heel that just make this mani super fun. So it is the Miss Pac-Man version of the Pac-Man mani, and I just think these dip powders are just so fun, and you can do a lot of different things with this collection, and these colors are fantastic. Now this blue, it is a thermal, and it has the most beautiful sparkle and thermal change to it, and that yellow also glows in the dark that we used today. So overall, just a really fun mani, and then we tied it in with that fun decal sheet. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next upload.